Welcome to the 2021 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular in the city of Elkhart. This is Keith moving to a different location. One of the things unexpected was a very long line for restrooms, so the party I was with, we moved to a different location over here at the East Jackson Street Martins. The deficit is no internet signal for AT&T/Cricket. So let's turn everything over to the show at hand. Special thanks to Quentin Dodd, a fellow high school friend of mine back in the day, as part of the fireworks team for this event. Super great crowd over here, people watching in the overflow area, if you will, all up and down Jackson.
Thank the vets.
Yes, and a special thanks again to the vets who serve proudly. Yes, thank you, Christine, for that suggestion, which we did on the podcast this morning. And don't forget to tune us in for information about further fireworks from Sylvia, and on the other one about the 4-H fair in St. Joseph County. Back to the fireworks. They're on the bottom of toward the hill. There we go. Some low-flying ones and some individual ones.
He was the Marine, the real clean-cut one that showed up in the Cadillac.
tomorrow is from 1 to 3:30 is the Heart Regatta, the parade of boats on the upper St. Joseph River, about 3/4 of a mile to the east of here, going from 1 to 3:30. We'll work on bringing that one to you live, which will hopefully have a much better internet signal out that way.